Top 9 amazing villages in France. Though France's major cities are renowned for their world-class art and architecture, the country's scenic towns and villages are packed full of beauty and cultural splendor. The towns also act as gateways into rural France, bringing majestic landscapes and scenery to your doorstep. With a car rental in France, you're able to take the less-traveled routes, finding many hidden gems along the way to explore. There's a very good chance you could draw up an itinerary covering the most visited cities in France without even looking at a map. From Marseille with its youthful vibe to Paris with its classic charm, France is blessed with an array of big-name cities that draw people in from far and wide. French towns, meanwhile, offer something different with quiet cobbled streets and sunny seafronts, often taking the place of urban glamour. So in this video, we will discuss the top 9 amazing villages in France. But before starting the video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. The video is going to be amazing, so make sure you stick to the end. Number 9. Morts. The massacre of the Italians at Morts was a series of events on 16 and 17 August 1893 which resulted in the deaths of immigrant Italian workers of the Compagnie des Salins du Midi at the hands of French villagers and laborers. In the 13th century, King Louis VIII, who was looking for a port on the Mediterranean Sea from which to send off his crusaders, set his sights on Morts. From then on, the town was built around this project. Number 8. Eixample. Eixample is a medieval village in France's Alsace wine region. The narrow, concentric streets of its old town are lined with many preserved half-timber houses. The central Chateau Saint-Léon is a centuries-old castle. Southwest at Husserin-le-Châteaux is the ruins of the 3 castles of Eixample, which date from the Middle Ages. Northwest is Holensborg Castle with formidable ramparts. Eixample is extremely charming and colorful, and has managed to preserve a wonderful medieval atmosphere. Visiting this pretty little town is like taking a trip back in time. Number 7. Cognac is the highest tower of feudal castle. It was built in the 12th century to control the Dordogne River and the surrounding lands. The architecture is massive, square-shaped, and defensive. Few openings are visible and the walls are thick. Cognac is a village located in the Dordogne department in southwestern France. The medieval Château de Baynac is in the commune. The village is classified as one of Le plus beaux villages de France. Number 6. Requier. Situated on the French shores of Lake Geneva, Requier is one of France's most beautiful villages, locally nicknamed the Pearl of Lake Geneva, Le Pearl du Lac Léman. The preserved fortified village is well known for its floral display and has been awarded the International Trophy for Landscape and Horticulture. Requier is a small medieval town in the department of Haute-Savoie in the southeastern French region of Auvergne-Rhône-Alpes. It is located 24 kilometers northeast of Geneva. Number 5. Cognac Pueblo. Cognac Town, Charente Department, Nouvelle-Aquitaine region, western France. It lies 20 miles, 30 kilometers, west-northwest of Angoulême. The town gives its name to the brandy distilled there and exported all over the world. Cognac is a town on the Charente River in the west of France with almost 20,000 inhabitants, and it's world famous because of the brandy with the same name. Cognac is also the hometown of King Francis I, who ruled France for more than 30 years in the first part of the 16th century. Number 4. Requier. Requier is a town on the Alsace wine route in eastern France. Its cobbled streets are dotted with half-timbered winemakers' shops and tasting rooms. Winemaking tools and a restored kitchen are on display in the 16th century Maison de Vigneron. The 1291 Dolder Tower houses the Musée du Dolder, featuring centuries-old weapons. The 14th century Tour des Voleurs, a former prison, has torture instruments. Number 3. Collier. Collier is a town on the Mediterranean coast of southern France. On the sea, the medieval Château Royal de Collier offers dramatic coastal views. The bell tower of 17th century Notre Dame des Anges Church was once a lighthouse. The Modern Art Museum includes paintings by Henri Matisse. Nearby is the Moulin de Collier, a 14th century windmill. South, the hilltop Fort Street Elma has a museum with medieval weapons. Number 2. Homfler. Homfler is best known for its old port, which was an important trading port during the Middle Ages. The city is also quite famous for its wooden main church and its association with Impressionist artists such as Gustave Courbet, Eugene Boudin, and Claude Monet. Homfler, France is one of Normandy's most appreciated port towns by tourists. Famous for its village-like atmosphere and colorful houses, the old town is charged with history. Considering how it was spared significant damage during World War II, visitors also appreciate its authentic environment. Number 1. Corsica. Corsica is a popular holiday destination among tourists, best known around the world for its warm climate, dramatic mountain peaks, and stunning coastlines. The Mediterranean island is nicknamed the Island of Beauty, but there are no big urban centers for jobs, and transport links to the mainland make it a more expensive choice. That's why Corsica is only home to just under 300 people from English-speaking countries in total. Thank you guys for watching. If you want more videos like this, make sure to like the video and hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video.